Today we're going to install a new Purge valve solenoid on this 2012 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 Turbo. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove it. Now we're going to install the new one. Here is the replacement part number. Sweet. Alright, so here is the new one. Pretty identical. And what we're going to do is just mount it onto this bracket here. Just the same way we removed it. This is going to go just like this from that backside inwards. There's a little safety clip here that holds it down. Alright, and there it is. And just press that little clip down with something using this trim tool removal to help me out. Sweet. That way it does not slide out. Okay, now we're ready to hook up all of the wires and pigtail for this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect this hose right into that. Then move the clip down. Then we're going to connect this hose and move the clip down. Maybe the pigtail first and then the hose. Let's go ahead and put in this back hose first. And I'm using my pliers to bring this little lock into place, the little hose clamp. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the pigtail on this one and then the hose. Alright, pigtail's plugged in. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect this hose and secure it down. Alright, and there it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mount this little bracket into place. Line it up with our two 10mm bolts, and then we'll snug it down. And we'll snug this down, bring the speed down. Perfect. Perfect. And that is how you install the Purge valve solenoid on this 2012 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 Turbo. You want to say Honda, but it's a Hyundai. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.